What if I told you that one of the most powerful things for your garden is probably sitting in your trash can right now? Yes, I'm talking about banana peels. Every day, millions of people throw them away without realizing they could be putting them to work in their garden. But here's the catch. The internet says banana peels are a miracle fertilizer. They claim it gives you bigger flowers and sweeter tomatoes. Is that really true? In today's video, we're separating fact from fiction. I'll show you what banana peels actually do, the biggest mistake gardeners make, and the best way to use them for healthier plants. Stay with me until the end because I'll also share a bonus gardening tip that experienced gardeners swear by. Let's get started. Banana peels may look like kitchen waste, but they're packed with nutrients. They're especially rich in potassium, along with small amounts of calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. Potassium is one of the essential nutrients plants need. It helps regulate water movement, strengthens plant tissues, supports healthy root development, and plays an important role in flower and fruit production. But here's something many YouTube videos don't tell you. Banana peels are not a complete fertilizer. They're a helpful supplement, not a magic solution. Healthy plants still need balanced nutrition, good soil, sunlight, and proper watering. Banana peels can be especially useful for flowering and fruiting plants. Tomatoes love the potassium. Peppers and eggplants too. Cucumbers, roses, and hibiscus all benefit. And many other garden favorites can benefit when banana peels are used correctly. Let me show you. However, if your plant is lacking nitrogen, getting too little sunlight, or suffering from poor watering habits, banana peels alone won't solve those problems. Healthy gardening is all about balance. Method 1. Banana peel powder. Cut the peels into small pieces. Dry them completely in the sun for several days until they're crisp. Grind them into a fine powder. Mix 1 or 2 tablespoons into the top layer of soil around your plants and water afterward. As the organic material breaks down, nutrients gradually become available to your plants. Method 2. Banana peel tea. Place 2 or 3 chopped banana peels into 1 quart or about 1 liter of water. Let them soak for 24 to 48 hours. Strain the liquid and use it to water the base of your plants every 2 to 3 weeks. It's simple, inexpensive, and a great way to recycle kitchen waste. Just pour it at the base of your plants. Now let's talk about the mistake that causes the most problems. Many people bury fresh banana peels directly in their garden or flower pots. Sounds easy, but fresh peels can attract pests, create unpleasant odors, and decompose slowly. Instead, dry, compost, or properly prepare your banana peels before using them. Your plants and your garden will thank you. Here's the truth. Professional gardeners rarely rely on just one fertilizer. The healthiest gardens come from combining several good gardening habits. Use compost to improve your soil. Add organic fertilizers when needed. Water consistently. Provide enough sunlight. And use banana peels as part of a balanced feeding routine, not as a miracle cure. That's how you grow healthier, stronger, and better. Have you ever used banana peels in your garden? What was your experience? And if you love organic gardening, vegetable growing, and simple gardening tips that actually work, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching. Great gardens aren't built by magic. They're grown with knowledge, patience, and care. See you in the next video.